In this video, I'll show you how to fix GTA 5 crashes after installing mods. To fix this, check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the pack file limit adjuster and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Drag and drop these two files inside the game folder and then go back. Open this heap adjuster, drag and drop these two files inside the game folder and then open the config. For old GTA 5 version users, open this old version folder. Right click on the GTA5.exe and select properties and go to details. You need to find the game version folder. In my case, I'm using the latest GTA 5 version, so it's not there. Once you find your GTA 5 game version, open the folder. For more mods, stock traffic, you get this XML file. For new version users, open this GTA config v36. For more mods, stock traffic, and now open OpenIV. If it doesn't have OpenIV installed in your PC, then check my video description for a tutorial video on how to install OpenIV for GTA 5. Once installed done, select this ASI manager. Make sure all three are installed and then select edit mode and select yes option. Open mods, update, update.rpf, common, data, and drag and drop this game config inside. Once you're done, close stuff here and launch the game. If the problem still doesn't fix, right click on the game and select open file location. Right click on the mods folder and select delete option and select yes. Now your problem should be fixed, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.